Kain tayo sa BGC pero 300 pesos lang ang budget. May sukli ka pa. Saan? Dito sa Thai Mango. Uy, hello! Sa tapat lang to ng Uptown Mall and syempre they serve Thai dishes. So here's everything we tried. Their Tom Yum Goong has a creamy, citrusy, and slightly spicy soup. Ang sarap, mild lang yung flavors, hindi overwhelming. Sa chicken pad thai naman, pinili namin yung signature sauce which was sweet and tangy. Yung authentic naman daw is salty. I'd say okay rin to for its price. Favorite ko naman yung Thai bagoong rice. Lasang-lasa mo yung shrimp paste sa rice with green mango and veggies on the side, plus their sweet pork belly, nagko-complement lahat ng flavors. Their fried chicken, nanunuot yung sweet marinade, medyo thick lang yung batter, served with egg and their Thai sauce na salty, sour, sweet, and spicy. Yung chicken fried rice naman, lasa mo yung pagka-smoky ng wok stir fried rice with the grilled chicken on top and the same sauce. Syempre pag Thai, we have to try their mango sticky rice. Glutinous rice na may hint of saltiness, perfectly